Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Halfway Tree. Straight ahead is the Halfway Tree Transport Center, and this is where the JUTC buses operate from in Halfway Tree. Now today we're going to give you an update on 100 new JUTC buses that are going to be arriving into the island in July. Now, Halfway Tree is the busiest place in Jamaica, and one of the reasons why it's so busy is because of this transport center. Up to 250,000 people a day pass through Halfway Tree. This is a very nice transport center. On the inside, the JUTC buses operate, and on the outside, you see the coaster buses. They are not allowed to go into the transport center. So the government will be getting in 100 new JUTC buses. So we're going to give you an update on the new buses. And guys, let us know what you think of the transport center. I've always said every parish and every major town in Jamaica should have a transport center like this. Downtown Kingston needs a transport center like this. Very nicely done. Alright, so we're going to give you an update on the 100 additional CNG buses that are coming into the island. The Jamaica Urban Transit Company Limited, JUTC, is slated to receive 100 additional new compressed natural gas buses in July. These will bring the total number of new buses introduced into the public transportation system since May 2023 to 171. This was disclosed by Science, Energy, Telecommunications and Transport Minister Honorable Darrell Valls. He said that the latest acquisitions form part of the government's efforts to increase the daily deployment of buses within the system so as to reduce the wait time for customers. The government, with all its demands, cannot afford to buy all the new buses that we need at one time. The Minister of Finance and the Public Service has already committed to 300, of which we have 100 arriving in the island in July. We are hoping to order and pay the deposit on another 100 by the end of this calendar year, which will mean that by March-April 2025, another 100 new buses will be in the JUTC's fleet, the minister added. So that's the latest on the 100 new buses that are coming in. Now, the main goal is to try and get these buses into service before the new school year starts in September. Now, the JUTC needs to roll out a minimum of 400 buses every day to meet the demand. And they are not close to 400. I think the last number was 200. So these additional 100 will make it 300. So they definitely have a little way to go, but they're getting there. The government has plans for 300 new buses, and it sounds like it's going to be 100 buses every year for the next 3 years. Alright guys, so let us know what you think of the government's plans. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And also let us know what you think about every major town in Jamaica having a transport center like the Halfway Tree Transport Center. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.